How to invite your friends in Hunter Call of the Wild PS4. Hey guys, in this video I will let you know about how to invite your friends in the Hunter Call of the Wild. So first of all, go to the main menu of the game and from this main menu click onto this multiplayer. After clicking onto this multiplayer, you will have to create your game. After creation, you will have to go into the pause menu. Here you will see all your friends, and if you are not seeing, you will be able to enter their name. After entering their name, click on to their name, and then this invitation will appear, and you will have to enter the name of your friend and then click on to the invitation. When your friend will open the game, this page will also appear on their game section, and they will also receive this notification that you received an invitation, and your friend will have to accept that invitation request. In that way, your friends will be able to invite in the Hunter Call of the Wild PS4. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.